Welcome back to Matt's Automotive Milestones. Please subscribe for more automotive history. We have a lot in store. The 1998 Dodge Dakota RT is a remarkable piece of automotive history that stands out not just for its performance, but also for its unique role in the evolution of the midsize pickup truck. At the time of its release, Dodge was eager to capture the attention of both truck enthusiasts and casual drivers alike, and the Dakota RT certainly delivered on that promise. What sets the Dakota RT apart from its contemporaries is its bold design and sporty flair. With a more aggressive stance than the standard Dakota, it featured a distinctive front fascia, flared fenders, and a lowered suspension that gave it an unmistakable presence on the road. The RT trim level was designed to appeal to those seeking a vehicle that combined the practicality of a truck with the performance characteristics of a sports vehicle. This was a time when manufacturers were beginning to recognize that truck owners wanted more than just utility. They also wanted style and speed. Under the hood, the 1998 Dakota RT boasted a powerful 5.9-liter V8 engine that produced an impressive 250 horsepower and 345 pound-feet of torque. This engine was a game-changer for the Dakota lineup, enabling it to accelerate with authority and handle like a dream. Coupled with a 4-speed automatic transmission, the RT offered a smooth yet thrilling driving experience that appealed to those who craved speed. It could go from 0 to 60 in just over 7 seconds, which was quite competitive for a truck of its size at the time. The interior of the Dakota RT didn't skimp on comfort or features either. It was designed with the driver in mind, offering supportive seating and a driver-focused dashboard. Standard features included air conditioning, power windows, and a solid sound system, while options like leather upholstery and premium audio systems added a touch of luxury. The cabin was spacious enough to accommodate both passengers and cargo, maintaining its functionality as a truck while providing a sporty atmosphere. As for its performance on the road, the Dakota RT was equipped with a unique suspension system that enhanced handling and ride quality. The lowered stance and wider track provided improved stability during both everyday driving and spirited maneuvers. This combination of power and handling made the RT a blast to drive, whether navigating city streets or cruising down the highway. In terms of legacy, the 1998 Dodge Dakota RT carved out a niche in a market that was beginning to embrace performance-oriented pickups. It appealed to a demographic that wanted a truck capable of weekend work but also fun to drive. This model has since become a sought-after classic among collectors and enthusiasts, representing a time when trucks were evolving from purely utilitarian vehicles to versatile machines that catered to a broader range of tastes. Today, the Dakota RT is fondly remembered not only for its performance and style, but also for its role in shaping the future of mid-sized trucks. As manufacturers continue to push the boundaries of what trucks can be, the legacy of the Dakota RT serves as a reminder that there's always room for a bit of performance and personality in the world of pickup trucks. Whether you're a longtime fan of Dodge or simply appreciate the unique blend of truck and sport, the 1998 Dakota RT remains a noteworthy chapter in automotive history.